हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू बॉटनी इनसाइडर। सो इस वीडियो में विल बी डिस्कसिंग कि यूनिट 2 दैट इज़ द सेल्यूलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिट को किस तरीके से डील करना है एंड ऑल्सो कौन से सब टॉपिक्स इस पर्टिकुलर यूनिट में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है। बट बिफोर दैट, इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, वेलकम टू माई चैनल एंड इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ you have not joined to the Telegram channel yet, just search Botany Insider on Telegram channel and you would be able to join that channel for daily updates and also for practicing out the questions which I post on regular basis. So now let's understand about कि कौन से topics हमारे CSIR के अंदर included हैं, मतलब these are the topics जो actual में हमारे topics syllabus में highlighted हैं. So let's go through them. The first point is about the membrane structure and the function. इसके अंदर we have to study about the structure of the model membrane, about the lipid bilayer, membrane protein diffusions, osmosis, ion channels, active transport, ion pumps, mechanism of sorting and regulation of the intracellular transport and the electrical properties of the membranes. The second topic is about the structural organization and the function of the intracellular organelles, and the organelles include the cell wall, nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, peroxisomes, plastids, vacuoles, chloroplast, structure and the function of the cytoskeleton and the role in the mobility. Then we have the topic of the organization of the genes and the chromosomes, in which we have to deal with the operons, about the interrupted genes, gene families, the structure of the chromatin and the chromosomes, about the unique and the repetitive DNAs, heterochromatin, euchromatin and the transposons. Then we have the topic of the cell division and the cell cycle, and in that we have to study about the mitosis and meiosis, their regulation and the steps in the cell cycle and the control of the cell cycle. And finally we have the topic of the microbial physiology, growth, yield and the characteristics, strategies of the cell divisions and about the cell response. So these are the topics जो हमारे syllabus में included हैं. But now if we look at the major topics, मतलब अगर हम इन topics को मेजरली क्लासीफाई करें तो हमें सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंटली पढ़ना है अबाउट द न्यूक्लियोसोम कॉन्सेप्ट, कि न्यूक्लियोसोम होता क्या है एंड हाउ इट इज़ फॉर्म्ड. उसके अंदर वी वुड बी कंप्लीटिंग आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, दैट इज़ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द क्रोमैटिन एंड द क्रोमोसोम्स, अबाउट द हेटेरोक्रोमैटिन, यूक्रोमैटिन, ये सब हमारा उसी में इंक्लूड होता है. देन अबाउट द बेसिक्स ऑफ द सेल, दैट इज़ कि एक सेल के अंदर कौन से ऑर्गेनेलीज होते हैं और उसके क्या इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस होते हैं, ये सब इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में इंक्लूड होता है. एंड इन एडिशन वी हैव द टॉपिक ऑफ द cytoskeleton, which is very very important. You do not have to skip this. Please complete this topic. It is very very important. Then we have one topic of the cell cycle and cell division. It is also one of the most frequently repeated topic. Microbial physiology, again a very short topic but also very important. And then we have the topic of the membrane structure and function. This unit is important from other point of views also. Why? Because it is the basics of any subject that you would be studying in the further syllabus. Why? Cell is the basics of any topic that you would be studying, so you should have a very good grip on this particular chapter. This is very very important. And also if we look at the previous year question analysis and highlight the most important topics, so these are the very very important topics which you just cannot skip. The first one is the chromatin and the nucleosome. Then we have the function of the organelles. Then we have the transport across the membranes. The next topic is about the lipid rafts and the proteins, which include the transmembranes, the integral proteins, etc. Then we have the topic of the protein sorting and trafficking. After that we have the topic of the endocytosis and the phagocytosis. Then we have the cell cycle, very very important. I cannot insist upon this anymore. This is very important topic. Then we have the topic of the cytoskeleton concept, again very important. Then we have the topic of microbial physiology, and then we have the topic of the FRAP and the cell fusion experiment. This cell fusion experiment is an extension of the cell divisions that you would be studying. So in that cell cycle and cell division, there is a small topic of cell fusion experiment, so make sure you do that topic also. So now these are the important topics and this is the complete syllabus that you have to focus upon. So how you should deal with this? You should first complete out the important topics. In that almost everything is included. If you look at these topics at a broader sense, you would see that almost everything is included, because this unit is very important and this unit is very much interlinked to the unit 4, that is the cell signaling. So unit 2 और unit 4 को हमें एक साथ पैरेलली पढ़ना है ताकि हमें एक बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो. जब तक हमें ये नहीं पता होगा कि सेल क्या होता है, प्रोटीन्स क्या होते हैं, हम रिसेप्टर्स और उनके फंक्शंस के बारे में नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे. दैट इज़ अबाउट यूनिट 4. सो मेक श्योर यू हैव अ वेरी गुड ग्रिप ओवर यूनिट 2. Very easy unit, and but it is a very broad unit to cover, so make sure that you cover this unit very nicely. For that concept, if you are using the standard books, well and good. If you have time, you can go for standard books. There is no harm in that. But if you do not have ample amount of time and you want to cover the topic in a precise manner, I have tried to make as many videos as possible for this unit. Some of the topics are left. I would be completing them very soon, so you can do those topics from that particular playlist also. In addition, what you can do is previous year questions just cannot be skipped for any unit, be it this or any other unit that you would be dealing. So make sure that you have a good grip over the previous year questions, and also if you are using any other book also for the previous years, you can practice, because no amount of practice is enough for any examination that you would be preparing. So just try to have a good grip over these topics. Make your own notes, very important. You should have a very good grip of this particular unit visually. That is, अगर एक प्रोटीन है तो वो कहाँ सिचुएटेड है, उसकी लोकेशन क्या है और उसकी लोकेशन की वजह से उसके फंक्शंस क्या हैं. यू शुड हैव अ गुड ग्रिप ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग ऑल्सो. इट वुड हेल्प यू आउट इन यूनिट 4 एंड ऑल द अदर यूनिट्स जहाँ पर भी सेल का छोटा सा पोर्शन भी इंक्लूडेड होगा. सो it would benefit you in some way or the other. So this was about unit 2, that is the cellular organization. I hope this video was helpful for you and it would help you to have a better strategy made for how आपको किस तरीके से unit prepare करनी है. So this was all that I wanted to share in this particular video. If you like this video, please do like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. There is no subscription fees on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel, and also if you have not joined on my Telegram channel, do join me on Telegram channel as well. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.